Hello everyone, in this video presentation I will be delving into the article review titled Online Intermediary Liability in Malaysia, Exploring Artificial Intelligence as Game Changer, authored by Assistant Professor Dr. Mahyudin Daud. The article, published in the Malayan Law Journal in 2022, provides a comprehensive examination of the challenges related to using AI for content moderation, specifically in handling content critical of court judgments. Okay, let's move on to the summary of the article. The article begins with an introduction that highlights the challenges arising from the evolving legal landscape, where internet intermediaries enjoy immunity against third-party content, but the rise of user-generated content complicates the scenario. Then, the author focuses on the case of Peguam Negara Malaysia and mkini.com Sdn Berhad and another. The case involves Malaysia Kini, an online news portal facing legal action for user comments deemed contemptuous of the Malaysian judiciary. The court evaluated whether Malaysia Kini rebutted the presumption of publication under Section 114A of the Evidence Act, emphasizing the platform's responsibility for user-generated content. Despite Malaysia Kini's defenses, the court ruled that the platform should have been aware of the contested comments and that its measures were insufficient. The case sets a precedent emphasizing the expectation for online platforms to have robust systems to prevent the publication of illegal and harmful content. Furthermore, the article explores Section 98 of the Communications and Multimedia Act 1998, which outlines that compliance with a registered voluntary industry code can be a defense. However, the court in the MyKini case emphasized that compliance should align with the general objectives of the content code. Next, the author draws comparisons with international cases like Delphi AS and Estonia and Godfrey and Damon Internet Service, highlighting the approach to intermediary liability based on the level of involvement and knowledge in content publication. The focus then shifts to the uncertain legal framework surrounding intermediary liability and the crucial role of intermediaries as passive middlemen to enjoy immunity. Moving on, the article review exhibits several strengths. Firstly, it has comprehensive coverage. The author offered a comprehensive examination of the challenges related to using AI for content moderation, specifically in handling content critical of court judgments. It addresses issues such as subjectivity, local-centric criticisms, and the limitations of AI in identifying and managing such content. Besides, the layout of the contents are easy to understand and are presented in a format which makes it suitable for quick reference. The inclusion of legal perspectives and references to relevant cases, such as the MKini case, enhances the credibility of the review. It demonstrates a solid understanding of the legal implications and challenges associated with AI content moderation. One of the weaknesses that could be seen in the article is that the author did not include much on the global perspective. The article primarily focuses on the challenges of AI content moderation in a local or context-specific setting, including a discussion on how these challenges may vary globally, or considering examples from different jurisdictions could provide a more comprehensive understanding of the issue. Another weakness in this article is that there's a lack of practical examples. While the article mentions the imperfections in AI technology, incorporating practical examples or case studies illustrating instances where AI failed to effectively moderate content related to court criticism could make the argument more concrete and persuasive.